मोस्ट वेलकम डियर। आप लोगों को मोटिवेशनल आर्यन क्लास में स्वागत है। मैं आशा और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप जहाँ कहीं भी होंगे आप अपना जीवन खुशहाल महसूस कर रहे हैं। ओके डियर, इस वीडियो में मैं मेंसुरेशन का ए टू जेड फार्मूला आप लोग को रिवीजन करा रहा हूँ। इसमें पहला जो है ट्रायंगल है। इसका जो फर्स्ट फार्मूला है, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट। नेक्स्ट है बेस ऑफ द ट्रायंगल 2 इंटू एरिया बाई हाइट। नेक्स्ट हाइट ऑफ द ट्रायंगल 2 इंटू एरिया बाई बेस। एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू √s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Next, perimeter of equilateral triangle. Next, perimeter of equilateral triangle 3 into side. Next, altitude of equilateral triangle √3a by 2 into a. Next, area of equilateral triangle is equal to √3a by 4 into a square. Area of isosceles is equal to 1 by 4 b into √a square minus b square. Next, altitude of isosceles triangle is equal to 1 by 2 √4a square minus b. Next, perimeter of isosceles is equal to triangle 2a plus b. Next, hypotenuse of right isosceles is equal to √2a. Next, perimeter of right isosceles is equal to 2a plus 2a is equal to 2 plus 2 into a. Area of right isosceles is equal to 1 by 2 a square. Next, area of triangle on the same base and the same parallel lines are same. As for example, AB parallel CD, then triangle ABC is equal to area triangle ABD. Next point, if the area of triangle on the same base or same and their height are also same. Next, if every side of the triangle k times, then its perimeter be also k times. Next, its area be k square times. Next, area of rectangle is equal to. Next, if every side equilateral triangle is increased by x%, area of increment by 2x plus x square by 100 into percent. नेक्स्ट जो फॉर्मूला है ट्रायंगल, perimeter is increment by x%, height is increment by x%. Next point, if every side of an equilateral triangle decreased by x%, then area is decreased by 2x minus x by 100. Next point, perimeter is decreased by x%. Next, height is decreased by x%. Next point, triangle. Next point, triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Area of triangle, hero formula. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. It means A plus B plus C. Next point, semi-perimeter of triangle is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Next point, area of triangle is equal to area of triangle is equal to under root S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Isosceles triangle. Perimeter of isosceles triangle बराबर is equal to 2A plus B. Height of isosceles triangle is equal to 1 by 2 root 4A square minus B. Next, area of isosceles is equal to 1 by 4B root 4A square minus B. And next point, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means formula is equal to next point, if right isosceles triangle hypotenuse is equal to root A square plus B square. Perimeter is equal to 2A plus root 2A. Area of right isosceles triangle is equal to 1 by 2 A square. Next formula, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral area of quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 D H1 plus H2. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Next, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length into breadth. Next, diagonal of rectangle is equal to root length square plus breadth square. Area of a square is equal to side square. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Diagonal of a square is equal to root 2A. Area of a square is equal to diagonal square by 2. Area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 D1 into D2. Next, area of rhombus is equal to base into height. Length of one side of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 root D1 square plus D2 square. Perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side. Area of parallelogram is equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel into height. Next point, quadrilateral formula. Area of quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 D H1 plus H2. Perimeter of quadrilateral is equal to sum of all sides. Parallelogram, as you can see this figure. Point first, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base of parallelogram is equal to area by height. Height of parallelogram area by base. Perimeter of parallelogram 2 into sum of two adjacent side. Next, rectangle. Next, rectangle. Next rectangle number 1, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to area by base. Breadth is equal to rectangle area by length. Diagonal of rectangle is equal to root L square plus B square. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, a square. This is a square picture. Next point. Next. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Diagonal of a square is equal to root 2 into side. Area of a square is equal to root a square. One side of a square is equal to root area. One side of a square is equal to diagonal by root 2. One side of a square is equal to perimeter by 4. Area of a square is equal to diagonal square by 2. Rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to base into height. Area of rhombus is equal to d1 into d2. Proof. Identification. Next point. Perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side. Length of one side of rhombus 1 by 2 root d1 square plus d2 square. Length of one side of rhombus perimeter by 4. Next, trapezium. Trapezium formula, area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into height. 1 by 2 a plus b into height. Perimeter of trapezium is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of parallel sides of parallelogram 2 into area by height. Next formula. Polygon, sum of all interior angle polygon n minus 2 into 180 each of inferior angle rectangle polygon by n minus 2 by n into 180. This is a example. You read and solve this question. I provide answer and you revise. Then your all method complete. Circle. Dear circle, area of circle is equal to pi r square pi d square by 4. Circumference of circle 2 pi r. Perimeter of semicircle pi into d by 2 plus d. Area of semicircle 1 by 2 pi r square या 1 by 8 pi d square. Perimeter of sector is equal to pi r into theta by 2 theta by 180 plus 2r is equal to pi d theta by 360 plus d. Area of minor sector pi r square theta 360 degree. Area of major sector pi r square minus pi r square into theta by 360. Next point. Dear, this is some important formula and B-text example. You solve and your revision complete. area of circle is equal to pi r square, and this is the example of related to a circle. Suppose d is equal to 7, the area is equal to 38.5. Area of semicircle is equal to area of circle by 2. Perimeter of semicircle, circumference of circle by 2 plus diameter. Next point. This is a sector diagram. This is a sector diagram and your revision, and this is a numerical value, your revision, and one by one the example of related to radius in a circle. Area of ring is equal to pi r square minus pi r is equal to pi into capital R square minus r square. Next point related to circle. This is a by2, and find the area of biggest circle. A is equal to 7. This is a Trigley formula. This is a Trigley formula with question answer. Cube and cuboid. Lateral surface of area of cube is equal to 4a square. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. Volume of cube is equal to a cube. Length of diagonal of cube is equal to root 3a. Length of one edge of cube is equal to root volume. Length of one side of cube is equal to total surface area by 6. Next, length of one edge is equal to cube. Lateral surface area of cube by 4. Next formula. This chapter cube and cuboid, and next one cube. It has a 6 square face of 3-dimensional shape, and this is a 3-dimensional shape, and surface of cube is equal to area of one face of cube, area of a square, a square. Lateral surface area of cube is equal to 4a square. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6a square. Length of diagonal cube is equal to root a. Volume of cube is equal to a cube. And next one, this is some important numerical question related to cube and cuboid. You come with copy and pen, and this question you can see solve, then your revision complete. Some example very important. And next point, cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to 2h plus l plus b. Total surface area of cuboid 2 into lb plus bh plus lh. Volume of cube is equal to sorry दोस्तों, volume of quid is equal to LVH, diagonal of quid is equal to root L square plus B square plus H square, length of quid is equal to volume बटे breadth into height, breadth of cube is equal to volume बटे length height, height of cube is equal to volume length into breadth. Next point, this is a example related to Q and QI, and this is a basic formula you see again and again, then you are remembering complete. One times you see not complete, and several times you see and write, then you are complete. Right circular cylinder. Curve surface area of right circular cylinder 2 pi RH. Total surface area of right circular cylinder 2 pi r into r plus h is equal to pi r square h. Volume of metal of hollow right circular cylinder pi h root capital R square minus r square. This is a basic formula related to cylinder. This is a very important formula. You see again and again, then your revision complete. Right circular cylinder, circular base, height and radius. The shape of pillar, tube, light, rod, roller, like right circular cylinder. Next point, the area of base right circular cylinder, area of circle is equal to pi r square. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder, circumference of base into height. Total surface area of right circular cylinder, curved surface area plus 2 area of base 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Volume of right circular cylinder, area of base into height pi r square into h pi r square h. Dear, this is related to all mensuration formula 5 to 10 plus 2 and all types of competitive your examination. Then I request you listen several times, then your learning complete. One times you see and listen not complete here. Next, right circular cone, frustum and pyramid. A slant height of right circular cone root h square plus r square. Height of right circular cone is equal to root l square minus r square. Radius of base of right circular cone r is equal to root l square plus h square. Curved surface area of right circular cone is equal to pi r. Total surface area of right circular cone is equal to area of base plus curve area into surface area cone is equal to pi r square plus pi r l in is equal to pi r into l plus r. Volume of right circular cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Next, a slant height of frustum root h square plus a small bracket capital R minus a small r square. Curved surface area of frustum first term is equal to pi into pi plus r. Next point, volume of first term is equal to 1 by 2 pi h plus r square plus r into r. Volume of bucket is equal to 1 by 2 pi h plus into r square plus r into r. Next point, volume of pyramid is equal to 1 by 3 area of base into height. Lateral surface area of pyramid 1 by 2 number of face is equal to face side into slant height. Total surface area of pyramid is equal to area of base into area of lateral surface slant height of pyramid is equal to root h square plus r square. Right circular cone slant height रूट एल बराबर आर स्क्वायर प्लस एच स्क्वायर. कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ राइट सर्कुलर कोन इक्वल टू पाई आर एल. टोटल सरफेस एरिया पाई आर इंटू एल प्लस आर. वॉल्यूम इक्वल टू 1 by 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. कोन इक्वल टू ए बाई 2. फर्स्ट टर्म this is a mensuration formula you see and several times. Revision, then your education learning complete. Without revision your learning not complete. Pyramid formula, pyramid is equal to EF slant height EG perpendicular FGR. Volume of pyramid is equal to V is equal to 1 by 3 area of base into height. Area of base into height. This is a basic formula. A sphere. Curved surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi square. Volume of a sphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a spherical shell 4 by 3 pi capital R square minus r square. Total surface area of a spherical shell 4 pi capital R square minus r square. Volume of the biggest sphere in cube 1 by 6 a square. This is related to a sphere formula and a sphere. Curved surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi square. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Curved surface area of a sphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Total surface area 3 pi r square. Total surface area is equal to 3 pi r. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a spherical shell 4 by 3 pi into capital R square minus a small r square. Radius of a sphere r equal to a by 2. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere equal to. Next formula. This is some example related to a sphere and next point. Here this is suppose if my video okay, then you like, subscribe and comment and I waiting for your comment. Then I reply you. So I request you see several times and any times of confusion you asked me question fluently. Okay, dear. Thank you.